welcome to the Concert Help channel. Today, we'll be covering how to transfer files in remote access. Now, there are a number of different ways to transfer a number of different files. For simplicity's sake, today we're going to take a look at transferring a very small file, a text file. If you'd like to review how to remote access into a virtual machine, follow the links in the upper right-hand corner or in the video description down below. You're all ready to go? Select your available deployment run and click Connect. The simplest way to transfer a file through remote access is the classic drag and drop. I drag this text document and drop it in. A little notification will appear in the bottom right of my virtual machine telling me that the file has been transferred. Go to Start, click This PC, and click Remote Access File System on CONS3RT, and there it will be at the bottom. Hello Windows, how are you liking the program? Now let's say I want to transfer something from my virtual machine to my desktop. We'll create a text document. Hello Mac, I'm a fan. Save as. Save it to this PC remote access file system on CONS3RT. Now if you're using Chrome, it will appear in the bottom left under Downloads. If you'd like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the Concert Help YouTube channel. Alternatively, you can visit the Concert Help site. And as always, the relevant links are in the video description down below. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Concert.